modern world is built around computers, both large and small. From the so-called supercomputers that are used to control the Curiosity rover, to the smartphones that have become an integral part of the lives of people around the world, the demand for better computers is constantly increasing. Computer hardware engineers design and install the various physical components of computer and server systems, such as processing and memory units, as well as computer peripherals, including keyboards and mice. Some computer hardware engineers also design the semiconductors responsible for the creation of computers small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. Computer engineers can find employment throughout the country and the world. Most jobs are located in the Northeast, California, and countries with large computer industries such as Japan. A typical salary range for a computer engineer is roughly in the range of $80,000 to $160,000 a year.
Software engineers make products that allow everyday life to be simple. Their jobs range from creating new applications to make things easier to completely redesigning a software platform. Every time you turn on a computer, calculator, or television, there's a team of software engineers who make that possible. Software engineers are the people who create video games and cartoons. Software engineering is essentially the everyday life, in business and in entertainment. Without it, the modern technology-driven world would come to a complete halt. Some major companies that rely on software engineering are Microsoft, Hewlett-Packard, and Apple. Almost any company that makes computers or programs requires a software engineer. Most software engineers make between $80,000 and $120,000 a year. A software engineer can not only work anywhere in this country, but the possibilities are anywhere in the world. As technology spreads, as does the need for software engineering. In fact, almost all types of engineers depend on software engineering.
Signal process engineering engineers mainly analyze and manipulate signals. They can either work with analog or digital signals. In other words, they are the guys that make your cell phones and antennas work. Some responsibilities include developing all digital signal algorithms and performing tests and verifying all the algorithms for the process. This also includes performing and providing technical support to all tests for hardware. One major society you can join is the IEE, or Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Some companies such as Matire Corporation and Leidos in Virginia are currently hiring. If you work for these companies, you can expect to make about $65,000 and $117,000 a year. The need for signal process engineering is increasing and will only go up in the next couple of years.
Power engineering deals with the generation, transmission, distribution, and utilization of electricity, as well as the design of a range of related devices. These include transformers, electric generators, electric motors, and power electronics. What does that mean for you and me? It means that since electricity is as important as food to most modern societies, that makes electrical power systems engineers very important people. Electrical power systems engineers make anywhere from $43,000 to $83,000 a year and can be employed by either project-based companies like Blattner Energy, which is one of the nation leaders in not only power grids but also wind and solar energy transformation. Or you could work for your local municipal power supply by monitoring the plants across the nation. The Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers is a great professional organization that can steer you in the right direction if you have any further questions.
Control engineering is the engineering discipline that applies theory to design new systems. They work to understand the operational process of engineering and streamline prediction. The field examines the application of new methods and nonlinear control engineering as applied to neuroscience. There are 124 current jobs available in Greater New Haven area, and over 1,000 jobs opening nationwide for controls engineering. Control engineering have many chances to work in the biggest city in the world, and most control engineering are hired by aerospace companies like GF, GPL, and NASA, as well as automobile companies such as Ford and General Motors. Control engineering is an advancing field and shows lots of promise for future growth.